Hello, and welcome to CSD Live. Today our webcast is focused on navigating the internet and specifically setting up email accounts. Don't forget to email your questions to our email address, which is csdlive@c-s-d.org. It doesn't matter if we're presenting while you're emailing, that's fine. Go ahead and email, and then we can answer all of your questions at the end before we finish the webcast. Last week, I shared some information with you guys about the pros of email, and so I'm going to quickly review that. What are the benefits of email? It's easy to use. That means that, instead of getting a paper and pen and writing notes, you don't have to do that anymore. Also, email is very fast. You type it up, send it, and people get it instantly, in the blink of an eye. Email is free to use. There's no cost, no attachments, no overnight fees. You don't have to pay for stamps. Email is a different form of communication. You have a password or privacy for family and friends if it's in your private life, or professional life if it's for business use. And you can pick which emails you want to read first and have them organized by priority. Also, emails include graphics like different colors and fonts, different pictures you can add. Also, email allows you to access anyone, anywhere, right there from your home. So maybe you're wondering, how do I get an email account? What do I do? How can I even start? I'm here to help. If you use email, you need to set up an email account. There are 18 different free email sites, but the 5 most popular ones are listed here: Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, AOL, and MSN. So when you get onto that site, what do? How do you set it up? So I'm going to show you what it looks like. You go ahead and click here where it says set up an email account. It'll ask you to make up a username and as well a password as well. Your username can be anything you want. It could be your first name and last name. It could be your favorite number, your favorite color, really anything you want. So then you type it in here. And keep in mind, when you type a name that you made up, if it's already been taken by somebody else, the website will let you know that you have to pick a different name. And they might even suggest different names for you to choose from, and you can pick from those. It's very important that you pick a username that is appropriate and it fits what you're trying to do. Remember who will be seeing your emails. If you're using it for your private life with your friends and family, or if you're using it for your professional life and your business work, it's important to keep that in mind so that your username fits that. Next, coming up with a password. It's very important when you have a password not to share it with other people. Your password can include a capital letter, numbers, and symbols. That's the best option. You would type your password in this block where it says passwords. When you include the capital letter, number, and symbol, that allows your password to be harder for other people to access and try and figure out to break into your account. Passwords, having a good password protects yourself and doesn't allow other people to access your account. So now the site will ask you to pick some security questions, and then you would provide the answer. Maybe your security question would be, what's your maiden name? Or, what school did you graduate from? Sometimes they'll allow you to pick your own security question as well. Keep in mind that when it asks, is because you've forgotten your password. So if you forget your password, it'll ask you the question, and then you provide the answer, and then it'll change your password and send it to you so that you can access your email. The reason why that exists is so that it can protect you, so that other people cannot access your account. Finally, the terms of service. It's very important to read these. Really, those are kind of like rules and guidelines that you would need to follow to use it. Like, are you 18 or older? Are you providing accurate information? If there's misuse of your account, it will be closed, and they can revoke it. So it's very important to read through all the terms of service and make sure you understand, and then go ahead and accept. Accepting means that you agree with these terms of service. Now you have an email account. You can contact anybody anywhere through email. So that is the end of this webcast. Come back again tomorrow to learn about Facebook. Thank you. Don't forget to email all of your questions to csdlive@c-s-d.org.